Welcome back to another episode of Contemporary Commentary. When we hear the word justice, we think of someone who commits a crime getting the proper punishment based on the crime they committed. We might also think about people who are unfairly treated by people in positions of power. In both cases, we're looking at it from a legal perspective. Justice stands for what is right or as it should be. Justice means to put things right, to render a verdict, or to pronounce a sentence. Justice puts standards into practice. Justice is fixing the problem, and it intervenes, confront, and correct those in the wrong and deliver those from suffering from the injustice. If equality is the standard and we're not meeting that standard, then it's justice that helps us to meet the standard. When we look at the word justice in the criminal justice system, the question is, what is the proper role of the criminal justice system in a liberal democracy? Simply put, it is to employ state-sanctioned violence in order to discourage or punish conduct that threatens the very fabric of a civil society. Things like murder, violence, assault, theft, and fraud. America's criminal justice system often exceeds the scope of what a criminal justice system may legitimately seek to address. And one of the issues with our criminal justice system is that we currently have two justice systems. One for the rich and another for everybody else. For hundreds of thousands of arrestees every year, the difference between freedom and jail depends solely on wealth status. A wealthy person can buy their pretrial freedom, keep their job, and live at home while preparing for their defense. An arrestee who is poor must stay in jail for days, weeks, months, or even years until their case is resolved. Those detained prior to trial are more likely to lose their job, get evicted from their homes, and be unable to care for dependent relatives. The money bail system is a price tag on freedom that only serves as wealth-based discrimination that does nothing to promote liberty, public safety, or court appearance rates. Private bail companies exacerbate the inequality caused by pretrial money bail. Those wealthy enough to pay their full bail amount get it back when their case ends, even if they are found guilty. But those who cannot afford their full bail amount, often over six figures, must contract with a private bail bond company to pay 10%, which can be thousands of dollars. And that money is never returned. Those who can't afford to pay 10% can be placed under predatory debt agreements with extraordinary interest rates, creating a debt that will take years to pay off and take money away from basic amenities such as food, shelter, and transportation.